Here's where I'm at on this signal generator. I've got it recapped, and I have to take something back that I said earlier on my first video. These capacitors here, these yellow ones that I replaced, are not coupling capacitors or decoupling. Like I said, this capacitor and this capacitor, those are the coupling capacitors for the audio frequency in and out, or rather this one and this one. I'm not getting any audio frequency modulation mixed in with the RF. It's there. I took that one resistor out, by the way. It's supposed to be a I don't know, 5.6 meg or something there. It's like open, so it wasn't doing anything. Anyway, let's flip this thing over. By the way, I got the scope started working again for some reason. I don't know why. I put everything back to default and started measuring. Here on one side of this, the 333K, where the audio frequency mixes with the RF. See, I'm getting about I'm getting just over 1 volt of audio frequency there, and it's got a nice shape to it. It's good. But when I go to the other side, I'm getting all RF. Let me put this set the voltage up. I'm getting a lot of RF. What are we getting here? I'm on a 2-volt scale. So 2, 4, man, 5 volts of RF compared to 1 volt of audio frequency. 1 to 5. So I mean there, it looks okay. Let's put the time base up. Or maybe down. What are we at? 5, 2, 200 microseconds, 80, 40, 20. Still a little high. I want to see the RF wave shape there. Not bad. This is on the first band here. I'll show you that that's the actual RF. See, I'm turning it up and down. I'm going to tune it to 455. I've got my Texan tuned to 455 kilohertz, and we're going to dial it in. There it is. Well, getting in a few places here. Maybe that's it. Maybe I'm getting some images on that radio. But at any rate, there's no modulation there. There's RF. Well, there's a little bit there. I don't know why. See, my signal strength is up to 3,500. Trying to get this at a better angle. $48, $55, $56. For some reason, the modulation comes in to the side of the RF. On each side. That's kind of weird. I guess it's there, but not very strong. And the way the circuit is I can't control the percent of modulation. That only works on the AF in and out. So I don't know. This thing is not quite working the way I thought it would. Also, let's see. If I look on the output of this, like I showed you, I had like several volts of RF where it mixes. But if I go to another pin here where it's coming out, the RF cuts down quite dramatically and it changes the wave shape. What is that about? That's 2 volts right there. That's 2 volts. And when I go to the other side of the resistor where it's actually going to the attenuator, now it's really down there. And you would think it would be higher because that's the output. And I think when I was soldering my wire to this connector here, I'm not getting anything out of it. I think I pulled that wire, but that's okay because I want to replace this with a BNC, and before I can do that, I need a good soldering gun to get this coax off of there. So I'm going to hold off on that until I get my soldering gun. I just may replace these disc capacitors in here because I measured them with my meter and they're showing kind of wonky, and some of these resistors are kind of showing out of spec. So I'm going to order some capacitors and put some new resistors in there and give this thing a better chance at working better, because I want to use this to align the helicopters. I would really like to do that, and I'm cheating. I'm using see, I got $100 scope here from China. I got a $40 multimeter, which this is a multimeter too, but that one actually works. It's a little faster as far as readings go. I got a $100 shortwave radio, so I'm kind of cheating here. I got all these toys that I can cheat with and use as reference, but I guess you gotta use what you got. I got better toys, but they're not available to me right now. So I'm gonna leave it off right here, and when I get those parts in, we'll see how this thing performs.